So guys, for the first method, in the bottom right of your taskbar, you want to click on the arrow. If you see Steam right here, you want to right click on it and then click on exit Steam. It's then going to shut down Steam. Now you want to go to search and type in Steam. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. It's now going to open up Steam again and then the problem should be fixed. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once we're here, you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS and then click on enter. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock space reset and then click on enter again. Now you want to restart your computer. Then the problem should be fixed.